According to Google AI, families spend about 20% of their monthly income on automobile-related expenses. Repairs and regular maintenance should be done wisely. Today, WOWL catches up with local expert on this topic, Morin, owner-operator of Acadian Mobile Tire Shop and Repair, to guide you in your decision-making. Tell us a little about your business and a few services you provide.
So we got a full-service garage here. It started out as a mobile tire company as a sideline, and then it eventually transferred into a full-time auto repair facility. We also deal with power sports, motorcycles, side-by-sides, pretty much anything that's associated with repair and maintenance of automotive and recreational vehicles.
How has your experience as a heavy equipment operator and at Albert Farms helped you run this business?
Pretty much, different positions I've had over time have allowed me to, how can I say that, conform to different repair issues that come around. Not every piece of equipment's the same. So it's allowed me to be well-rounded and have the ability to, adapt to any particular scenario that comes in the shop.
At what point do you stop replacing parts in an automobile as opposed to buying a new vehicle?
That would be regional specific. So northern Maine here would be due to corrosion issues. When the vehicle starts getting to a point to where the repairs for corrosion combined with the repairs for maintenance are more expensive than a monthly payment for a newer vehicle or used vehicle, I would recommend. Usually it's a case-by-case scenario. When it comes in for inspection, yearly inspection, we go through it with the customer and let them know what we think and take it from there.
Does adding aftermarket exhaust and lift kits add value to a vehicle?
Adding aftermarket exhaust, not only exhaust, but any aftermarket part makes the pool of interested people smaller. You could have, certain people that like a lift kit and certain people that like exhaust and whatever. So when you go to advertise to sell it, the opportunity for a lot of people to be interested gets smaller. And, it's, even though you put lots of money in it, doesn't mean the other person wants that stuff in there.
Do you think all-season tires are worth it? Or would you recommend winter tires?
So all-season tires are not for the seasons up here. All-season tires are typically a summer tire, and they're for all seasons in Florida and the Midwest, Arizona, Las Vegas, California. What they have now is a hybrid tire called an all-weather tire, which is the mixture of the compounds of a winter tire and a summer tire. So for somebody who wants to stick with one tire year-round, that's what I recommend.
We know we've lost a few shops in town and people are looking for shops. Why is there such a high demand for mechanics?
It's not just mechanics, it's any trade in general. I think that it starts at home. Even when I was a kid, not everybody pushed the trades. And now there's less people in the world now too. The baby boomers are getting older and families are smaller now. So less and less trades. And then when schools made budget cuts, they made them in the trades department. Like when I went to school, we had shop class at the high school. We had photography, computer-aided drafting, we had woodworking, we had auto mechanics, we had electrical diagnosis, metal shop, and that all got eliminated. So now children only have the opportunity to go to St. John Valley Tech, and there's not as many opportunities there. So I think it just boils down to not pushing the trades, but now the trades are starting to be to the point to where they need them so much that there's more money in the trades now. So you can live a good life being in a trade, so to speak. So
you have a great shop. Could you tell us which vehicles you mostly work on?
Could be anything. I mean, one day I got a side-by-side in here putting an engine in it, and the next day I have a brand new pickup putting running boards on it, or I have an older vehicle changing suspension components on it. So there's not really any particular item. I like it. It's different every day. It's not the same old monotonous grind. So
is there anything else you'd like to add?
Just shop local. We can meet, not just me, but other places locally. We can sometimes meet or exceed the prices of online and offer warranties to things. And that's pretty much it. Just come check us out and you might be surprised what you find.